Hi everybody. So today we are going to learn why do we get hiccups. Hiccups happen when your muscle in your body called the diaphragm suddenly spasms. It's the muscle that helps you to breathe. When it twists, your vocal cord snaps shut and that's the hiccup sound. The definition of hiccup is a sudden, usual, repeated sound that is made in the throat and that you cannot control is called hiccups. This happens because of drinking fizzy soda, eating very fast, or laughing, or just nothing, no reason. Just your body loves to be dramatic. So, let me tell you a fact the longest hiccups were for 68 years. So, that's all for today. We will meet in the next video, and if you want to know about something else, just comment down. This is Anaya signing out.